Today I've got a very common cooler, a Coleman Extreme, and my handles are worn out and one of them is broken off. We're going to show you how to replace those today. You can get a nice set of replacement handles for pretty cheap. I will put a link to these in the description. Comes with 2 handles and all the plastic pins that you need. If your handle's already broken off, then your job is a little bit easier. You can simply take a hammer or a big screwdriver, anything, and just knock these 2 plastic pins out. So let's install one of the new pins. It doesn't matter which side to start with. Let's install this replacement handle onto the new pin. It doesn't matter which way. And then put the other pin in. And that's it. If you're replacing a handle that's not broken off, then you'll have to take a flat screwdriver and pry one of the pins out. With the handle off, you can knock the other pin out. Now installation is the same as the other side. Put one new pin in, put the handle on, and put the other pin in. For these coolers, you can also get replacement hinges and replacement drain plug. I'll also put links to those parts in the description. Thanks for watching the Repair Nut channel. Hopefully this video has given you some confidence to do this job yourself. Give me a thumbs up and follow for more useful tips. Here's a few videos I think you guys might like.